Have you ever tried to upload media to WordPress using make.com automation? Your source is a Google Drive image. You download it using HTTP GET file, and you attempt to create a media item in your make automation using the make media item module. And you get this error, the operation failed with an error, function display error finished with error, cannot read properties of undefined, reading to string. And then you spent the next 3 days tearing your hair out trying to figure out what the problem was. One of the reasons this can happen is something that I will show you in the next 30 seconds. Normally, you would upload using the HTTP get a file mapping. So rather than manually mapping to the data and file name that the download module gives you, the easiest course is to use the HTTP get a file option in the create media module. You put title in, alternative text, potentially caption, description, and post ID in there, and you can fool around with all of these options to see where the problem is. You can try taking out the module and adding a new one to see if there's a problem embedded. Well, instead of using the HTTP get file, try mapping to a different file name than the one that the Google Download offers you. So use map instead of the built-in mapping to get a file, and put your own file name in there and see if that clears it up, which it did for me. The reason that my instance was giving me this error was that there were parentheses in the file name up on Google Drive. So that was the cause of the error, and the way to fix that error was a new file name in the Create Media module. And then when I run this version of it, it does work, and when I go to the media library, I get abc.png. It will upload according to the extension that I give it in the file name and still work. So change out the file name and see if that clears up the incredibly vague error message of display error in your make workflow.